What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone time to military time. So the first step in this process is to open your settings app on your iPhone. Once your settings app's launched, you're going to scroll down and scroll down to the third block of options, and then you're going to see an option for general right at the top of that third block. You're going to click on that, and then look down at the fourth block. There should be an option for date and time. And then from here, right at the top, you could turn on 24-hour time, aka military time. And now once you turn this on, you'll have the 24-hour time set. And you can't really see it now, but up in the left-hand corner, there's a 0 before the 8. Because it is 8 a.m., but if this was 8 p.m., it would be 2014 for military time. If you did find this tutorial helpful today, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks, and check out our other videos, linked in the description.